जो जंगल है, दीदार का दरख्त होते हैं, हम इसकी हिफाजत करते हैं।
हमारा ये फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि हम देवदार का जो दरख्त है उसकी रखवाली करें।
ये हमारा इसमें खूबसूरती है और अच्छा है, इसकी हमें हिफाजत करनी चाहिए।
तो उससे भी हमारा ये माशरा है जो बच सकता है।
Deodar, it's a very important plant, and with respect to the Kashmir, it has a huge importance. Centuries ago, we were using it for the houseboats because it has a long durability.
It is the soul of Kashmir's forests, covering more than 30% of the total forest area in the region.
Its botanical name is Citrus deodara. So this is a very lofty tree. This tree grows throughout Himalayas from Afghanistan to Nepal. In Kashmir, we have some very good spots, particularly the Lola Valley has very good deodar patches which are known throughout the world because of their growth and the quality of timber which they produce.
As a tree, it grows a long way, above 100 years of the age, and it has very durability. It's very beautiful.
But today, these sacred sentinels are falling, one by one. Deep in the shadows of Kashmir's forests, a silent massacre is underway.
सर, जो ये हमारे देवदार के पेड़ हैं यहाँ पे, जब इनको कटाई हो जाती है, काटे जाते हैं, तो बारिश के पानी से वो जड़ों से मिट्टी, जड़ें कमज़ोर हो जाती है हार्डली, क्योंकि वो सूख जाते हैं। तो उससे पानी का जब सैलाब आता है, ऊपर से बारिशें होती हैं, तो सैलाब आता है एक बाढ़ जैसा, तो फिर हमारी ज़मीनें निकलना शुरू हो जाती हैं।
In the last 50 years, nearly 19% of Kashmir's total forest cover has disappeared. And the greatest victim? The deodar, prized for its strength, durability, and unmatched resistance to decay. It is smuggled under the cover of darkness, fueling a black market industry worth over 500 crore rupees annually.
But some people do cut some of the trees, people who live in the fringes of the forest, or maybe some smugglers cutting some trees for their own uses or selling them illegally.
This is not just about timber. It's about an entire ecosystem on the verge of collapse.
अगर जंगल में ये दरख्त कट जाएंगे तो फिर न बारिश होगी, हमारा माहौल ख़राब हो जाएगा, हमें नुकसान उठाना पड़ेगा, हमारे जो बच्चे आने वाले हैं उसको भी आने वाली पीढ़ी को नुकसान उठानी पड़ेगी।
Each year, over 2.5 million cubic feet of timber is felled illegally.
If you see the roadside plantations, if we plant the deodar, there it is having an aesthetic view and it gives very good look. We should preserve it for the long generations, for the coming generation.
When a deodar tree is cut, the damage extends far beyond its trunk. The roots that once held the soil together loosen, the ground weakens, and with time, disaster follows.
इसके लिए हम ये बंड वगैरह भी देते हैं, लेकिन हमारी गुजारिश है यहाँ के लोगों से भी, यहाँ की पब्लिक से भी, जितने भी देवदार के पेड़ हैं ऊपर, ताकि उनकी कटाई ना हो।
And when the rains come, the soil doesn't nourish. It washes away, leaving behind nothing but devastation. In 2014, Kashmir witnessed one of its worst floods in history. Over 200 lives were lost, 600,000 people were displaced, and 5,700 crore rupees in damages was recorded.
आने वाले पौधे छोटे हैं, उनकी हिफाजत करेंगे तो उनको भी फ़ायदा है। जो आज तक हमारे बुजुर्गों ने किए तो उसका हमको फ़ायदा है। जंगल में भी भेड़ बकरी भी हमारी जाती है, जंगल में सूखी लकड़ी भी हमें बनती है इसकी जलाने के लिए।
लेकिन हमारा ये फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि हम देवदार का जो दरख्त है उसकी रखवाली करें। ये नहीं होगा कि हम उसको आज काट के ख़त्म कर देंगे, कल के हमारी जो आने वाली पीढ़ी है उसको ये नुकसान भुगतना पड़ेगा, फिर हमें यहाँ पे नुकसान होगा, पहाड़ें निकल के आ जाएंगी, ज़मीन निकल जाएंगी।
Tourism is the backbone of Kashmir's economy, contributing 8% to the region's GDP. In 2024 alone, over 4 million visitors arrived, seeking the valley's legendary beauty. But with every new hotel, every new road carved through the mountains, Deodar forests are paying the price.
We have to protect now Deodar because we have been cutting Deodar for centuries now. The Deodar trees are getting, I may not say get extinct, but they are less in our forests now.
Since 1990, nearly 8,000 hectares of forest land have been diverted for urbanization and infrastructure projects. Ironically, the very thing that draws people here, the raw, untouched beauty, is being destroyed to accommodate them.
देवदार है हमारे इधर जंगलों में, देवदार है, ये पौधे हैं बहुत, इनकी हम बहुत हिफाजत करते हैं क्योंकि आने वाली नस्ल है जो हमारी आएगी वो उनको भी हिफाजत करना चाहिए। इसका बहुत हमें ये सोना है हमारे लिए, ये हमारा इसमें खूबसूरती है और अच्छा है, इसकी हमें हिफाजत करनी चाहिए।
The Hangal deer, Kashmir stag, once numbering over 5,000 in the 1940s, is now down to fewer than 250 individuals, teetering on the brink of extinction. And the birds, the songs of the Himalayan manal, the fluttering wings of the Kashmir flycatcher, these sounds are fading, lost in the silence of dying forests.
You can say right now, the climate change which is showing impact not only in Kashmir but throughout the world. The major reason is that we have destroyed our forests. When I was young, a little child, I used to study in my books that the carbon content in the atmosphere is 300 ppm, that 300 parts per million, and at present this same carbon has gone up to 600 ppm. This is the major contributor in the climate change. The only technology present at the present in the world that we can grow more and more trees, particularly the trees which are long living trees, like deodar trees.
This is not just about trees. This is about life itself. Hope amidst destruction. But there is hope. In the face of destruction, Kashmir's people are fighting back. Communities are coming together to protect what remains. But without strict enforcement, public cooperation, and responsible tourism, these efforts alone will not be enough.
हमारा जो जंगल है, दीदार का दरख्त होते हैं, अगर हम इसको ख़त्म करेंगे आने वाली नस्ल जो ख़त्म हो जाएगी, इससे हम इसकी रखवाली करते हैं। इंशाल्लाह हम रखवाली करते हैं इसकी और हमारा हक बनता है इसकी रखवाली करने के लिए।
Without forests, there is no water. And without water, there is no Kashmir.
There's a message for the people who live within the forests or in the fringes of the forests. They should protect these trees because our holy saint has said, "An posh telieli one posh." That means that if there are forests, only then we will have sufficient food. If there is no forests, then there will be no food.
The loss of deodar trees is not just an environmental issue. It is a crisis that threatens our future. It threatens our rivers, our land, our people. But the fight is not over. Support conservation efforts, demand action against illegal logging, practice responsible tourism. Join hands to restore what has been lost, because saving the deodar is not just about saving trees, it is about saving Kashmir itself. The future of Kashmir lies in its forests,